Ooh, it is what it is. It's another banger. It's another track. It's another checkout. We're checking out Queen Popo or drop a brand new song called Makhosi. The responding, I will respond Adolf na Coolfelo. This is after Coolfelo dropped that diss track. Achikwambura induri. Very new song. Dingori Adolf Ari. So Zine Neros Zarari. I don't think niggas really have to share whatever they talk about in the songs, man. That's some crazy shit. Because come on, doesn't have to call up mromo, but right here, situation ngoraro. Tongarara zoite kana wana mapunge watu bamba kana buziperana wana wa visa chipiri. Pezi, let me play the track. Makhosi. Ine abuzori ndia Queen Popo. Akopindura ababiri. Bajumbera what's more mean? Huh? Ah la la. Oh, bamapungo kyo. Fellows no dongo dongara. Adakara masimbe ntato watu na. Yeah? Ha. Atevizore. Atevizore kwa ibona hani bakifisa hani treke ndiamba ene ya Queen Popo achikufindura ko andaza kwambori no abana nabo kusukudiyambira suzwabo mara bombera Lani ndombaisa ndela chikwambori kai games ya baba mtu wa mfumakazi ngori wabona ngarati ngadilwe yeah, that line really goes deep, man. And zoraro una banji bazana mane papeza okuita this industry because ajita sokuita zone afuna akudora abanga dopindula kana abanga dimira story bamondi kade bakumaneja kefio funa kunenga mandesa ono ndo sada uri ndi manager MBR yo bankati kachamnesa ore bibori wenga game bashomo kuza my name ukoza mopandwa yone fame SP blessing you know visionary I'm the queen of venda ndibati yanga tikaisha la beya kale oh utonga rap tuko pampongo dibanji bathu bani bako riwa msiyabit oh hey ungo pinzana babethu I'm a ganji, I'm a lace. If you need to walk, it done face to face. Tini shabby in the Ganity Nanga face. No, this is my face. But whatever I'm gonna, but it's a baby gonna. Yeah, ne. Yeah, zigo buya. Rukwambisa hezwa kumufa komba Queen Popo achikwambor no manai udito wore ndi wamkusidzana wacha dzibifaita ngane vachitiresa kurwa bote ndifana zi MBR ndifana zi visionary ana epa zote so one aba comment vari budzori what do you think already wamsidzana uimiro nganyi rezivahani zorali what is upon na beef na uduzikona na ngora madukana be hey adivarekani na over here man ukuzama imela chitori chawo ukuzama udisa mafhungo vhathuni uri hey ha vhathu vha khou tou amba vho ngori vha khou tamba vha khou tongolela vha khou zwi funa u thetshelwa vha khou zwi funa u tou vhori a thongo tenda zwine vha vho sokou tou amba zwine vha funa zwi vhudzudza vho dzula nga tshavho. What do you think, guys? Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. Nenga dzina ndikadwa ndi doka nswara ndi mwana ndo wa mahongoni, and you're right here on the Van Rap Radio, Chivenna Music and Entertainment. Wasihangwe, if you're looking for music, log on www.vanrapradiostation.co.za. Maramangwa ngorimi. One. Yeah. Where would I prank later on Makazi? Because she was about to drop a track. So, yeah, man, I'm going to look at it. I don't know. Maybe I'll get in trouble or not. But the truth, let me say it. I'm out of here. What do you think about Queen Popo's new track? Achikwamboria amaduna ya no man. Zinowa kuita zona season. Ndayandona. Auna nazwiwa.